Introducing Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl. So you just made the decision to protect your vehicle using a paint protection film or change the color using a color change vinyl. And now you're wondering, how do I maintain it and how do I get the most out of my investment? Let me show you some of the most amazing attributes of Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl. This Porsche was wrapped with over 25 different pieces of material, ranging from matte and satin vinyl to color change, clear bra. Even your chrome wraps will scratch less because you have this on it. And last but not least, your carbon fiber material will have better UV protection and be easier to clean.